Chota Nagpur is a part of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh where majority of the people are tribals. They are nature-loving people. They get knowledge from nature. When ants carry their eggs and move towards another place, then tribal people get an indication that it is going to rain. It is scientific in nature. The ants have the sense of rain coming, and that is why they protect their eggs. When the tribal people see pine downa, which is called rain-calling bird, flying high in the sky and singing, then they get the knowledge that rainy season is too far. But just the opposite, if the rain-calling bird is not very high in the sky, flying from one tree to another and singing, then the tribals get the knowledge that the rain is close at hand. When a spider makes its web design vertically, it is an indication that rainy season has ended. But when the spider makes its web design horizontally, it is an indication that rainy season is not yet over. If a tribal on his way sees a pot full of water, it is an indication of good omen. But an empty pot is a sign of bad omen. According to the tribals, God is telling all these. Similarly, if a tribal on his way sees a pair of myna bird, it is good omen for him. When a leader, so-called agua, is going to look for a girl, and on the way, if a fox crosses or cuts the way from left to right, then it is good omen, because towards his left hand side there is heart which is protected, but if the fox crosses the way from right to left, then it is considered bad omen. In the above context, if the leader or agua sees an oriole bird, so-called pio, it is the indication that by all means he will get rice beer. In the same way, if the leader sees a snake on the way, then this is a signal of danger. It is an indication that this relation will be dangerous. Cow dung is used in villages for whitewashing or plastering the walls and floors of houses. Cow dung is proved to have anti-tetanus properties. During the time of marriage ceremony, if it rains, then their first child will be a boy. The concept of remote was discovered by the tribals many years ago or before the real remote came into existence. When a dog is defecating and we close the fists of our hands tightly in front of it, it stops defecating immediately. In hot summer, the tribals used to carry water in a pumpkin. That means they were removing the inner parts of pumpkin and putting water into it, which remained cool. Now that is replaced by a water cooler machine. Stored grains and seeds must be completely dried for its vigor and viability. Farmers check the moisture condition of grains by assessing the sound produced by biting on the grain. A very sharp and resonant sound produced while cracking the grain confirms that the seed is dry enough and safe to restore. One of the common ways of ensuring the dryness of grains even in rainy season is simply to hang the maize cobs on the ceiling above the cooking fire. These farmers do not need expensive moisture tester and dryers. The modern technologies are promoting this expensive equipment. They are not only costlier and more complicated, but also they are replacing the sustainable indigenous knowledge and technologies. Genetically modified organism and terminator seed developed by advanced technologies cannot be saved by the farmers. These are some of the contributions of the tribals which give push to the modern technologies and advancement. Thank you.